Smoke box. This is a 7. To the outside is 8 if you take it from the wall. By 7 by 7. As you see, it's full of rust. And it did come with a little chunk of wood. Piece of expanded metal fits inside there. Closes and locks. I'm gonna have to adjust these. It's not really much of a smoke box, but I do have a smoke generator that will fit right in there. It's for my pellet smoker. It'll fit in there. Locks down. Smoke goes through here, up into there. It's not, this is designed to cook pigs, not really smoke meat. You can fit a whole hog on there. Whole hog, 20 briskets, 30 pork butts. It's exactly what's gonna happen when this baby gets all done up. Yep. Yeah, she's gonna be cleaned, painted, all nice and pretty. Can't wait. It's gonna take a lot of hard work to get her into championship mode. So here's the pigtail switch. Let me back up, give you a full look at her. There's the secondary burners for the outside. New tires, 4-lug, Harbor Freight. There she be. There she be. Missing shelf. It's gonna be melamine, just like these two. Maybe a different color. There's the lid. Let's drop her down. These are 5-inch pipes, so I'm gonna have to get a 6-inch cap for PVC, so that we don't have rain down the side of the pit. So I need your input. Any input will be good on fixing this girl up. Here's our Carolina Country Cooker tab. Yep, the original Carolina Country Cooker. Come over here. We have our data plate, or it's model number Z037.7. That's our model number, people. I can't find much information online, so if any of you people out there in YouTube know anything about this particular model, that'd be greatly appreciated. Remember, if you watch this video and you like it, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Be greatly appreciated, and more videos to follow.